Hi everyone, this is Joanna from Taste Porto, and I'm here at my parents' house, the fort. And today we're cooking something very special, very traditional. It's called Cozido à Portuguesa, which basically means everything boiled a la Portuguese style. And the main cook, the chef, obviously, is Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Ooh, there you go.
Farinheiras e morcela.
So farinheiras, blood sausage, potatoes, turnip, cabbages, carrots, lots and lots and lots of stuff. And then the meaty parts, they are over here because, well, they've been cooked already, but Mom kind of trims the fat. Not a lot of people do that. We like to call Mom's Cozido Cozido light because she trims a part of the fat because it's not very good for you.
And the bone.
Oh yeah, and the bone.
There were here.
Yeah.
Big bone.
Yes, of course. This is a big part of the leg of the pork, and so there is a big bone. It's cooked on the bone, and then she removes the bone and a big part of the fat. And over here in the pressure cooker, what do we have in the pressure cooker, Mommy?
We have yet.
You can say it in Portuguese. I can translate.
I can't remember what is this. It's a lot of things.
Mommy has been drinking.
There are pork from this part.
Okay. Pork belly.
Yes, it's not bacon.
Not bacon, it's
Not
pork belly.
bacon.
I know,
Yeah.
pork belly.
And there is chorizo.
Chorizo, very important.
Chorizo. And there are these
The
costelas.
ribs, yes,
Yes.
costelas, the ribs.
ribs.
Yes.
And what more? Costelas, barriga,
Belly, chorizo.
and big legs of chicken.
Oh, right. And chicken legs, yes.
Yeah.
Chicken legs. This is all for flavor, and it's in the pressure cooker. How long is it going to be in the pressure cooker?
5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes. It's a very old pressure cooker. The button doesn't work anymore. My mom has to pick it out with a fork.
What's marvelous.
Okay, well,
Is old.
it has exploded twice, but yeah, she says it works marvelously. But okay. Mommy is eating the parts of the meat that nobody likes.
And the skin of the pork.
The skin of the pig. She loves that kind of stuff. And a lot of people in her generation love it, but my generation, we're more sophisticated. In here, we have all the veggies that go into the cozido. That's different types of kale. That's the white bits you see there. That's turnip. Mommy cannot have cozido without turnip.
Carrot. 3 kinds of
Cabbage.
And this is Chorizo.
Chorizo.
No, chorizo no. Morcella.
Ah, okay. So this is blood.
Chorizo is here.
Okay, sorry. So that's the blood sausage. Blood sausage. The chorizo is in the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part. Farinheira.
3 kinds.
3 kinds, Mom says. Okay. And farinheira is the worst type of sausage for your health. It is just made of flour and pork fat and a couple of spices, and it is my favorite. And these are
pimentão. Lots of pimentão.
lots of pimentão that goes into farinheira. And then we have potatoes that we're going to boil as well for the cozido. Everything's boiled, that's why it's called cozido. And some people like to have this with rice. I don't get that. I really don't. But yeah, some people like to have it with rice. Chicken goes in. Now, Mom doesn't usually put chicken in the cozido.
Yeah, it's traditional.
But it is part of the recipe. Some people do put it. This time we're putting it because of the kids. It's just the type of meat that they prefer. Here come the ribs. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Very tender.
Yeah. With a spoon. We can eat with a spoon.
Yes, we can eat them even with a spoon. Look at how the meat just falls off the bone. At the end, you might find that this is not the prettiest dish you'll see. It is not the most sophisticated dish ever,
No.
but it is home
Delicious.
and delicious. What else is Mom gonna get out of there? Ooh, yum, 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 yum. That's the chorizo. Chorizo needs to be cut. Yep, here we go. And that's the fastest way to cut up a chorizo, is to just use your scissors. Mom is nothing but a very practical woman. Here comes the belly. This is one of Mom's favorite parts.
Yeah.
She loves the pork belly. Here we
It's
go.
very tender.
Very, very tender. What else?
Agora, podes dizer aí que vamos guardar aí água, porque a seguir vamos fazer sopa com esta.
All right. So Mom is saying that we are going to save up the water in which all of these meats were cooked because, well, it's characteristic of the Portuguese gastronomy. You just make the most of what you have and nothing goes to waste. And that beautiful water over there is later going to be used to make some soup, which is called sopa do cozido, or soup of the cozido, of the boiled stuff. And some other parts are coming. This is my favorite part. This is part of the leg of the pig. And it's quite salty, very nice. And as you can see, it's a lot redder. Yeah, this is the good stuff. Oh, we
Luís, podes abrir, hein?
have more people coming. That's the rest of the family. So this is not something that you cook for 2 people. A big part of the family needs to come and eat all of this. And by big part, I mean we're just 5 adults and 2 children, but we'll get it done. We'll get it done. Look at that. Yeah, making room for more stuff. We need some chicken, pork, many parts of the pork, but we also have beef. Okay. Okay. And then you have the sausages, right? The sausages are very important. So this is the meat platter, and we will have another platter that is the vegetables and the sausages platter. We have here the pan with the vegetables and the assorted sausages. my favorite here, farinheira. And we're gonna make the platter with vegetables and the sausages. Now this one crumbled because the skin came off during the boiling process. It does happen every now and then. So potatoes, gotta have some potatoes.
A lot of potatoes.
Jesus, Mom, that is a lot of potatoes.
But we don't eat these potatoes.
We don't?
No.
Why?
All of that? No.
Oh, yeah, right. We don't eat all of the potatoes because, you know, we're going to use them later on to make the soup.
Ooh, yeah.
Suddenly, I was surprised that we didn't eat the potatoes. Okay, what else is coming from the pot?
The black.
The black sausage or the blood sausage, or as
There are
we
two
call
kinds.
it in Portuguese,
They are different.
morcela.
Yeah.
The Spanish have something similar.
Now, turnip.
Turnip, okay, that's the white bits over there. Mommy loves her turnip. She comes from the land of turnips called Gondomar.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And cabbage.
And now we have a lot of cabbage, which needs to be drained. Okay.
This one. There's turnip here.
Oh, we have an escaping turnip.
Yeah.
He tried to escape, but Mom caught it. Mom will never let the turnip go. Here we go.
Another cabbage. Another kind.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And underneath the... so we're draining the cabbage, but we are not wasting the liquid. So there's another recipient underneath.
Yeah.
See? Because none of the water goes to waste.
That.
We need it for the soup. Now Mom's making room for all the cabbage. And what we have left here in the bottom are the carrots. There we go. Beautiful.
So beautiful.
Very beautiful carrots, actually. Okay.
The cabbage. Okay.
Oh, I need to get out of the way before...
Vamos tirar tudo.
Mom's sometimes not very subtle. And you may get hit if you get in her way.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this.
Oh. If really, only if you could smell it, it really smells incredibly. So the cabbage is going into the platter.
This is one, and this is another.
What are the names of the cabbages, Mommy?
Coração,
Okay, e o
like heart.
não, e a outra?
The other is cebolla.
Okay, so we have one cabbage that we call coração, which means heart. It's a smaller cabbage. And then we have another one called cebolla, which is a greener cabbage, and the leaf is crispier and wavier as well. Okay, so that's this one over here. Okay, and so Mom is preparing the sausages. One of the things I always admire is that people who have been cooking for a long time, they develop this amazing resistance to heat, and they're and they can handle things that are coming out of a boiling pan with their own hands. And that's what Mom is doing now.
There are three different.
Yes, three different types of farinheira. One of them is made from black pig.
Yeah.
So the pig that is brought up in the southern part of the Iberian Peninsula. You may know it as the pata negra ham. It is not a traditional farinheira of the north, but we can get it here. It's quite delicious, so Mom has added that to the recipe today. And now she is doing the blood sausage, which we also have two kinds. So this one
This is a special kind, moira.
Oh yeah, this is moira. Moira is from our mountain region, and it is a meatier kind, and has a lot more wine in the curing process. While if you look at this one, look at that. That's really black.
Real black.
This is the more traditional morcella, the more traditional black sausage.
Traditional in the north.
Yes, in the north. I love it when Mommy corrects me. I'm kidding.
Okay.
Okay, so we have both platters prepared. This one, I hesitate by saying that this is the vegetable platter, considering the amount of sausages we have here. And then we have the meat platter. Yes, and now it's time for the grub. We love you.
I love you.
Thank you.